How was it? Be calm. Tell us a couple tips for beginning drivers.
My driver experience was amazing, pretty easy. As long as you just like focus on the road,
Focus on the road,
focus on the signs.
signs and road.
Yeah.
Okay. What type of oil do you use in here?
5W20. I usually use Mobil 1.
Mobil 1, yes, I use Mobil 1 too. 5W20. Did you change your injectors?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I don't need it until I get like 700 horsepower.
How much, let me get on this set. How much horsepower do you think the car has right now?
I'd say about 480 wheel.
480 wheel. Is this a drift car? Is this all around? Where's this set up right now?
Probably strive and straight line racing.
Straight line racing.
Stuff like that. Not very well around soon.
So this is just your summer car?
Yeah, well I'm gonna get an old baby. Right now it's an old car.
It's your only car, I feel you. Does it stop pretty good? Because I noticed you have some modifications.
Yeah, it does. But it comes with big brakes.
Big brakes on the front. Have you replaced your rotors yet? Your brakes? No. So how long have you had it?
A year and a half.
A year and a half. Now is this car lowered?
Yeah.
It is.
It's the old owner.
Okay. Young guy, old guy you bought it from? 30s, okay. Is this car mid-range, upper RPM? Can you talk about the driving performance?
It definitely strives higher RPM. The gears are so long.
Gears are long.
Sometimes. You can rev it all the way out to like 7,800.
Yes, sir. That's great. Did this cold air intake make a difference? Did it wake it up?
A little bit, not as much as E85.
Okay.
E85 wakes things up like crazy.
Oh, I see those headers.
Yeah.
So you got the headers put on?
Yeah.
Okay. You still have the stock throttle body?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you had this car in car shows?
Not cars. I go to a lot of car meets.
Car meets?
Yeah, I go to a lot of car meets. In Birmingham.
Okay. Midwest, right?